talk about ancestor and featuring of the land plant. I would like to talk about the comparison between algae and land plant. Plants are only multicellular. Plants can be found on land, however, they can also found in water like water lily. Plants have roots, stem, leaf, flowers, fruits, seeds, and cone. The roots of the plants not only hold them in place but also nourish them. Plant possess vascular system which allow for the uptake and transport of water and nutrients. Plants cannot move as they are rooted in the ground. Plants compose their own kingdom as kingdom Blattae. Plants have complex multicellular reproductive systems, and some even require the assistance of wind, birds, bugs for pollination. On the other hand, algae are unicellular, colonial, or multicellular. Algae are found in water, but they can also found in land, snow, rocks, marine animals, or in some rainforest animals like sloths. Some algae are actually actively mobile, whipping themselves through the water with a tail-like structure called flagella, or may move by pushing their bodies forwards in a crawling motion. Algae can reproduce through tiny spore, or even by replications or the growth of broken pieces.
Now about adaptation. Plant adaptations to life in land include the development of many structures: a water repellent cuticle, stomata to regulate water evaporation, specialized structures to collect sunlight, alternation of haploid and diploid generations, a multicellular embryo protected by parental tissue, a vascular transport system and rhizoids, roots and root hairs essential to the absorption of nutrients and adhering to the substrate. Regulation of gene expression is essential for the evolution of morphological diversity, including the establishment and perpetuation of developmental program involved in plant adaptation to life on land. However, our knowledge of the genetic and molecular mechanisms underlying morphological diversity and plant adaptation to land remains limited. Alternation of generations is a type of life cycle found in terrestrial plants and some algae in which subsequent generation of individuals alternate between haploid and diploid organisms. This can be contrasted to sexual reproduction in animals, in which both haploid and diploid cells are found in every generation. Alternation of generations has several distinct features. All land plants share the following characteristics. Alternation of generations alternate with the haploid plant called a gametophyte and the diploid plant called a sporophyte. It is also the formation of haploid spores in a sporangium and the formation of gametes in gametangium. It also protects the embryo and apical meristem. I hope you guys learned something new for yourself in this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.